We are here at the 2026 Toledo Auto Show with something very special. This 1993 Ford Crown Victoria was just donated to the Cleveland Police Museum by my friend Brian. We'll move in for a closer look. So my friend Brian had owned this car. He saved it after it was used as a training car for the OPTA Academy in Ohio. He was originally going to restore it himself. It sat for several years, and him and I talked, and we decided that the Cleveland Police Museum, which holds the Ohio State Highway Patrol vintage fleet, who's in charge of it and owns them, to donate it to them. We decided to donate to them would be the best course of action for this car. And recently the transformation has been completed. This is its first car show it's ever debuted at. Here are some photos of this car before the transformation when my friend Brian owned it. So with this being donated, my friend Brian also owns a Florida Highway Patrol 2005 Ford Crown Victoria. And we decided with donating this car that this will give them the opportunity to get that car completed, and he can focus on that while this has a loving home and will attend various highway patrol functions across the state, as well as police car shows and other car shows like this Glass City or Toledo Auto Show, formerly known as the Glass City Auto Show.
Well, when they brought the Corvette up last year, they had to walk around it to get in there. Grow up watching the older stuff and having to work on the newer stuff. Yeah. I texted him. I appreciate it.
These decals were placed on the Highway Patrol for their anniversary on this year only, so that's a little bit of a unique spotting feature on these cars compared to other ones of the era.
Crown Vic.
So this light bar features what the Highway Patrol used to do in Ohio. It has the hostage light. If the trooper was in trouble, they would flip a hidden switch and this blue light would be steady on. This is no longer utilized by the Ohio State Highway Patrol. The last light bar to feature this was the Federal Signal Vista bar. This car never had a cage in it, and the interior is in phenomenal shape on this car.
Also shut